Welcome to Guess That Idiom, the cozy coffee shop edition with your favorite duo, Priya and Grandma. Today's idiom adventure is extra special. We're covering idioms starting with D, E, U, and Y. Buckle up, language lovers. Grandma's Challenge Cup. All right, Priya. First letter D. Let's get this guessing game rolling. Here's your first clue. Don't cry over spilled milk.
That idiom means not to get upset over things that can't be changed. Drop in the bucket. That's something very small compared to the whole.
Dark horse.
I am a dark horse, a mysterious winner no one saw coming. Dead ringer. Someone who looks exactly like another person.
Devil's advocate. I'll argue with you, just for fun.
Oh, that's someone who takes the opposite side to spark discussion.
Welcome to the Espresso Express board, Priya. Here we learn about idioms while enjoying a nice cup of coffee. Elephant in the room.
Something obvious nobody wants to talk about. Every cloud has a silver lining. Even bad times can have something good.
Easy as pie.
That means super easy. Eat humble pie. Admitting your mistake and apologize.
Eager beaver.
Someone who's super enthusiastic.
Now let's move under the umbrella of idioms. Ready, Priya?
Up in the air, something undecided or uncertain. Under the weather, feeling sick. Use your noodle. Use your brain if you have one. Up the ante, raising the stakes.
Under your nose.
Something obvious and close by. Uncharted waters, a new or risky situation. Until the cows come home, for a long time. Upset the apple cart, to ruin a plan.
Under one's belt.
Something you've achieved or experienced. Up in arms, super angry or upset. You can't judge a book by its cover. Don't go by appearances.
You snooze, you lose.
Act slow, miss out. Yellow-bellied, someone who's cowardly.
Your guess is as good as mine.
Neither of us knows the answer. Year in, year out happens every single year. You made your bed, now lie in it. Deal with the consequences of your actions. You reap what you sow. You get what you give. You're pulling my leg. You're joking with me. You're in hot water. You're in trouble. Young at heart, full of energy no matter your age.
And there you have it. Idioms across 4 fantastic letters. D, E, U, and Y. Decoded by our dynamic duo. Cheers to words and wonderful memories. Love the idiom guessing game. Hit like, comment your favorite idiom, and don't forget to subscribe for more magical lessons.